I'm here at Manikutta Hill, and this is a Haigriva Madhava temple. I'm descending the steps, and this is a very ancient pilgrimage of Assam, and this temple uh, is known as Haigriva Madhava temple.
No.
And this is related to Hinduism, and this is not only related to Hinduism, it is also related to Buddhism also, because this is one of the temples where Buddha came to celebrate Nirvana, and is according to some historians and some historical notes about this temple are that this temple was made by Raghudeva Narayana, a king of Ahom dynasty, and according to some historians also, this temple was built by the kings of Pala dynasty, and as you know that the kings of Pala dynasty reigned in 6th century, and this is really a panoramic view, and this is the steep of Haigriva Madhava temple. And well, according to some historians, the king at the time of King Kamaleshwar Singha, there was a person who was related to Assamese administration, and he was Kalia Bhomora, and his wife Sayani donated a family of 5 to this temple, and she also donated a plot of land to this temple, and she donated a lot more things to this temple. And as we see here, and this is a stone-made temple, and this is a very unique example of Assamese architecture. And you can think that in that time, in the 6th century, Assamese architecture was so developed, and it's really shocking for modern age architectures, and we have to be careful while descending the steps, because it is so high on the top of Manikutta Hill. And the thing about Hajo is that it is not only a pilgrimage of only Hindus or only Buddhists, it is a pilgrimage of also Muslims, because here after about 5 kilometers you will see that Pua Mokka, which was established by Ghiyasuddin Aulia. He was an Iraqi preacher, and he was an Iraqi preacher, and he was a prince, but he turned into a saint, and he made Pua Mokka. He brought Pua earth from Mokka, and then established that mosque there in Pua Mokka. And let's come again back to Haigriva Madhava temple, and this temple enshrines various memories of Haigriva Madhava. I met a saint in the temple, and he told me that this temple, the name of the temple also contains many more things about this, and this is that this temple Haigriva Madhava means Hai means I don't know, I can't remember Hai or Griva, but I can remember Madhava. Ma means Lakshmi Mata, who is the goddess of Hindus, and Dhava means husband, means Lakshmi's husband, means God Vishnu. It is the temple where God Vishnu is worshipped, and as we can see, Hindu worshippers came here. And this is really shocking thing about India. Okay, let's back to there, and in that state you can see that one person who is sitting. It's really shocking thing about India. We are developing, but we are not paying our heed to these people, because we are traveling in fancy cars, and we are coming here in fancy flight or many more things. We have luxurious things, but we don't think about these people. It's really shocking about India. And India, it's a common thing. You will see in every street of India, you will see this. Okay, this is really hurting. This is really hurting, and you can see that people. I'll be giving. I don't have that much of money. I'll be giving him. Okay. I'll be giving him, and it'll be hard for me to lost that.